Allow me to introduce myself one more time. I'm the son of Jen right here. Out of Gantok City, Banyawa Yaye Tua Kola Chi. And of course, big shout out to one and only Ziza Bafana, every artist in the building. I'm introducing the Monster Effects. DJ Prata. Prata, do it from the top.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for DJ Prata.
Yeah, man. Can you please introduce DJ Prata in a king's way? You a king?
Yes.
Can you please introduce DJ Prata in the king's way?
Can you help me? I'm right here.
Yeah.
So you help me, I will back you up.
I'm there.
No,
please. I'm a guest here. You a guest?
I understand.
Yeah,
but I'm not an MC. You understand about artists?
Okay.
So Nyambako, I will back you up right here.
Before scene goes right now.
Yeah.
Can I see some lighters right now? Everybody with a phone. Can you put up your phone lighters right now?
Give it up for DJ Prata tonight.
Okay.
Thank you for your love.
If you have a phone and got a light at the back, please, do this. If you have the lights at the back of your phone, please light up your song. I want Cindy to introduce a king tonight.
Thank you.
Prata is introducing a king tonight.
I'm about to go to an amazing session, ladies and gentlemen. DJ Prata can on the stage tonight, so we can have this session. Thank you.
Do it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Cindy. Okay, Kale. Everybody from the senior general, Brata Jega Cindy Walua, Switchy. I didn't say to Valega to Suela. Kale. Brata, we wanna. Ayaya Brata. Watching Brata. Brata. Kolakaiba, my DJ Brata. Watu wa Shinyanga kwamba ni Brata. Unawapenda DJ Brata, let's go. DJ Brata ya kuresu wa mlango wale na chi. Omukona kwa DJ Brata. Omanyi tuwe kiti. Omena kuda akuna orono omuzungu bwe yaka kubimbaga Jovia, congratulations to Muzungu. Basaba ne banyabo. Omukulu ono yatuleese wano. Omanyi abakulu betera okubeera nabo. Surabeni bazira kubate okugamba abantu abazoba wagira. Omanyi omukono batukuba ekifaananyi ekyawako. Kati nawe Brata. Abawagizi bamuwanika. Omukono gwa Brata guli wano kuba ekifaananyi ekyawamu. Baligamba nti Brata abikola bati. Wali kifaananyi lindako. Ngate muwamise. Waliko omukono gwa DJ Brata naki. Omukono gwa Brata naki. Thank you so much. Chemani katabe bifaananyi bukifunye. DJ Brata kubalinyo. Suna beni omulabi. Obadde tumusuubira ku mukono guno. Omukulu manager Mutima. Manager Mutima Dr. Jose Chameleone. Good by White. Yeah man. Tears. Mwena. Ulaze ku mukolo gwa Brata abatwogere Viper wonezere ebyange wano. Kino kyetuddamu katuwetulaga. Yukira Bafana tamayimba naki. Bafana ino kuyimba. Viper. Yango nyambe kuwano katono nnyo. Yes. Kuleta owanvu bulijjo okusinga obuwanvu. Okugulu Manager Kabanda wa Radio 8 wali. Manager Kabanda tuwumireko katono nnyo. Omulabye omusajja omuzungu nate yangambye olumala okanawa kulata badikirishani bangambye kulatesitinga kulyere yogere bulungi ng'okuba alikitegeeza asigadde ng'oli eyo nga tukwerabidde naffe tuwunguka bijje kulata jaba mukwatireko wano mu ngalo bwebatesitinga wano amalaso bebazikikwe